Welcome! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to access your FunELE Spanish lessons step by step. It's super simple. You just log in, click, and ready to teach. First, log into your FunELE account. As soon as you're inside, you'll see your personal dashboard and the plans you are subscribed to. Everything is organized and ready, so you don't waste time searching through files. Here, you can see all the available lessons, greetings, numbers, motions, colors, and more. Let's click on colors as an example. Each lesson is complete vocabulary, interactive games, conversation practice, and grammar built in. When you click Open, the lessons launches right away in your browser. There is no installation or setup required. You can share your screen on Zoom or project in class. It works from any device. Just open and teach. And that's it. That's how easy it is to access FunELE lessons. If you haven't tried it yet, access the free starter pack in the description. It includes a complete lesson plus bonus activities so you can see how it all works in your own class. See you in the next one.